Hey there guys, it's Silver, your host. And since you guys are really enjoying these food videos, I thought I'd come back with another quick and easy meal for you. It's gonna be good. This time, we have chopped some Masurian sausage, we have buttered some bread, and we have grated some cheddar cheese. And we have a pan, a non-stick pan, oiled and ready to go, because the non-stick pan doesn't have much non-stick left. So we are going to pan fry this Masurian sausage very lightly, and then we are going to sprinkle some grated cheese and have pan fried Masurian sausage with grated cheddar. Sounds good, doesn't it? Another quick and easy. Let's get going, shall we? Luna's here. Hey Luna, what's up, Miss? She's in the background but she wants the food. Alright, let's get that pan going, shall we? Are we hungry, little one? Are we hungry? Yes, do you want some sausage? I'll give you a piece at the end, don't worry. I'll give you a piece. And you can see she's sat next to one of my shoes. I want my shoe back. You'll get a sausage, don't worry. Alrighty. Everything's in the pan. Now, these should start heating up in a few minutes. We're just going to have to move them around the pan very quickly and give them a few minutes on either side because they will cook and start to sizzle very quickly. So, sausages are in the pan. Let's keep on going, shall we? Looking forward to this one. Ah yes, you can already smell the sausage starting to warm on one side. Sausage is done. We're going to take these off the heat, and then we might put a couple of slices of that bread in the sausage grease to make a couple of fried slices, and we'll have one regular, one with fried slice. So that's going to be good. Right, let's get these off the heat. We don't want them to burn them. Well, we have 2 slices of our bread, butter side down, and it's just going to lightly fry in the pan, soaking up all that sausage juice. Just lightly, let it soak it up, become a nice fried slice. Okay, we've flipped it. So now the other side is getting a little bit of nice time to soak up that sausage fat. And the butter side is up. Perfect. Okay, got our fried slices here, our regular ones here. Added a bit of cheese to each. And now we're going to take it to the table, put it together and have a taste test. And we have Luna's piece of sausage there, because Luna needs a piece of sausage. Yes, she does. There we go. It's all put together. We have our sandwiches. The right side one here kind of fell apart, but we have our regular sandwich here. Then we have our fried slices. You can tell that that one has picked up the sausage fat because it's crisped and has a similar consistency to a very lightly done piece of toast. So we're going to start by doing the most important thing of all before anything else. Luna, come here, Miss. Want a sausage? Want a sausage, Miss? Of course you do. Of course you do. She just wanted sausage. You're a good pup, are you? Oh, she's giving me a paw now. Thank you. Right, Luna's had her taste test, and I'm sure it was marvellous. Now let's grab a piece of this sandwich and have ours. A lovely cheddar in there. Nice pan-fried sausage. Okay, it's showtime. The frying has crisped the sausage skin and given it this wonderful little crunch to it. And there's a slight saltiness to the bread through the bacon fat, wrong kind of fat, Silver, through the sausage fat. So I do honestly think these have been a success, a raging success actually. You will notice a trend with things that I make. They don't always look all that appetizing, but they taste absolutely delicious. Yes, that is definitely the trend. It might not look great, but it tastes damn good. I'm going to have a glass of water, a little sip, before we sign out, because hydration is important. So if you want more of these food videos, do let me know, and I will happily bring more to you. So, I have been Silver, joined by Luna the lovely Labrador. Oh, can I have a paw, Miss? Have a paw, thank you. Yes, thank you very much for stopping in, and I will see you in the next one. So guys, I have been Silver, your host. Have a fantastic morning, afternoon or night, and I will see you again very soon. Take care, guys. Lucy. Good girl.